Okay, family. So I decided I put the table back because I still haven't put it back yet, obviously, because I'm still doing that room. But I put the table back. It actually looked good up against the black, which I was telling y'all that before a while ago. But I'm getting ready to put the decor back up there. So I just said, why not turn the camera on? It's the same decor that I had up there. And these picks that I have right here, these are so old, y'all. They are old. And I just wanted to put something in this pot to, when I pulled it out. So, yeah. So that's that. Like I say, they are old. And they look wild. These little stems look wild, but it is what it is. You know? So, one fell off. And I always got y'all crooked. And I'm sorry y'all looking from the side, but I was just trying to get a view of just the console table instead of everything else. Okay. So y'all know this is my favorite from Kirkland's. And they usually be on my table. And I said, let me take it off the table and use the new black one. And then I ended up putting it on here. And I thought it would look cute with the black and white, two different shapes. So I thought that would be cute. And then y'all know I had ended up buying the, you know what? I always forget to put my microphone on. I always forget to put my microphone on. But I'm going to put these RH books back out here. They brown, but I'm going to put them back out here. Just because. I just swept the carpet and got all of that hard stuff from the hard plastic off the rug. And I just vacuumed. I didn't want to vacuum all of that up. I cleaned the mirror and dusted everything. And I got to move the mirror to the side. I'm kind of scared. I don't want the mirror to press up against these and break them off. But yeah. So y'all remember my my vase that I got right here from TJ Maxx about a week or two ago for $7.99. And so I know it's white against ivory because that's white and that really need to be sprayed. But listen, I ain't got nowhere to put nothing else. So I said, let me put it right here. So let me show y'all what it's looking like. Okay, so another reveal. So just setting it up just to see how it look in front of the new panel wall. Okay, so I just got the books laying there. And then that's the wavy vase, $7.99, y'all. And it's big, look. It ain't as big as that one, but it's big for $7.99. And then, like my Kirkland's, and then, which is empty. And I have this one. It's all stained up, but yeah. So that's it for that. Absolutely loving it. I have not painted the baseboard yet, so if anybody thinking about putting something in my comments about it, keep it to yourself. I know what I got to do, okay? All right, I know I said I'm going to do it, and I ain't did it yet, but I know what I got to do. So, but yeah, so that's it for that.